Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to use Tech Putty. Tech Putty is going to help us get earwax, dirt, and other debris out of our AirPods. This is good for Apple AirPods or really any other kind of AirPod you have. So let's get started. Tech Putty comes with 50 pieces. Let's open it up and check it out. I bought this at Walmart and it was around $5. Let's see if it was worth it. Here are the stickers that it comes with. Ew, I didn't even think that this was dirty, but that's pretty disgusting. Okay, let's try the other one. Wow, that is pretty gross. I'd say that this product has been helpful in the most disgusting way, but useful way. After using this product, I highly recommend it for anyone who uses earbuds or earpieces, or really for any tech device they need cleaned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and give this video a thumbs up for more interesting tech ideas.